Hi Libra, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for the Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in Libra for the month of April 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Guys, please do like, share, subscribe. It really helps my channel and also motivates me and helps me feel loved. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Oopsie. Okay, Libra, you've got the Three of Pentacles. I feel you are right now working on bettering your life, becoming better at your profession, and concentrating on being the best version of yourself. And probably somebody sees your growth and they are trying to reach out to you, but you're not interested at the moment. You are very hell-bent on achieving your goals. You're very ambitious. Sometimes this ambition keeps you awake at night. But this is the beginning of something absolutely amazing in your life. A new start where you find your calling, you find success in whatever you do or you're planning to do. You've got the Empress card. If you're trying to conceive, Libra, this is the right time to do so. You will be blessed. You're surrounded by love and a nurturing kind of energy, which is something that makes you feel warm and fuzzy sometimes, which is amazing. You've got the High Priestess. Somebody is, I think you are trying to go in for higher education. It could be in any field. It could be in occult sciences. You could be delving deeper into occult sciences if you are interested. I'm also getting that you are trying to become this self-empowered person who does not need validation from others to do things that he or she loves, that you love, basically. You've got the Tower card. Something is going to be changing in your life. It may feel as if the earth has shattered, but it's going to be transformation for you, Libra. So please be ready for this change. I don't mean to scare you, but the Tower card does not always have negative connotations attached to it. Sometimes certain changes are required in order to bring in positivity in our life. You also have the Six of Pentacles. Somebody who you knew from your past wants to come back into your life. Probably in the recent past they did not have enough to offer you, but now they feel they're ready to be in your life, which is what is bringing them back. The Chariot, you could be dealing with a Cancer person. Some of you could be traveling, moving from one place to another, relocating, probably for the higher education that you're trying to pursue. You also have the Nine of Cups. All your wishes are coming true, Libra. Whatever you wish for will come true. So be sure about what you want and be careful about what you wish for. You never know what you'll attract. You also have the Two of Swords. You might find yourself feeling a little stuck when it comes to taking certain decisions. It could be regarding this past person coming back. You might not know whether to let this person in or, Remember the lesson they taught you and let them go. Okay, okay. You have this beautiful the unknown card. Now, this rarely comes up. If you see this girl over here, she is holding a crystal ball, which is your world, Libra. You are the magician of your world, and you're attracting unknown happiness in your life. Be careful what you wish for, that's all. Messages for my Libra friends. Messages for my Libra friends. You've got the Eight of Swords. Wow. The Four of Wands. And the Ace of Swords. You've got the Ace of Swords twice. Stability coming your way. But I think you are just not sure about whether or not you should go in for marriage. This could be for somebody else. For some of you, actually, because it's a general reading, it may not resonate with everyone. But probably you're scared about settling down. Could be because you've been through some tough situations in the past. But you've got the Nine of Cups once again. And I feel you are heading towards your wish fulfillment, Libra. You have nothing to fear. You have nothing to be afraid about. You have nothing to feel. You don't have to feel uncertain about anything, because whatever is happening for you has had its purpose in your life, and you need to just trust your higher self when you take decisions. Ten of Water, which means Ten of Cups, ultimate wish fulfillment. Have patience when it comes to your life. Don't be too hard on yourself, because you're leading to transformation, and transformation is rarely painless. Always know that. Love is coming your way, and the World card. Things are turning in your favor. You could be traveling, Libra. You've got the Tower card again. Something is drastically changing in your life, which is leading to utmost happiness. Libra, let's see some extra messages for you. Balance spirituality and practicality. Wow. Meditate and contemplate. Lot of emphasis on spirituality. So please pay heed to this. Hold your vision. A personal issue reaches its resolution. Don't let pride get in your way. Your commitment is being tested. The signs here are Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Leo, and Gemini. Libra, I'd like to dedicate this beautiful amethyst crystal to you so that you get the clarity that you truly deserve, the stability that you truly deserve. And I hope and pray that the remaining months of 2021 treat you with utmost love, kindness, and respect, and give you a million reasons to smile. Thank you for watching, Libra. Bye.